Hi everyone. Today we will learn for loop. In previous session we discussed while and do while loop. Similarly, for loop also the same purpose, but the small difference between while and for loops are it is for loop for compact notation. All expressions expressed in single line. For that, suppose I will explain how to represent compact notation. Syntax of for loop. For expression 1, expression 2, exp2, expression 2, expression 3. Open curly brace statement. Here expression 1 means initialization expression, expression 2 conditional statement, expression 3 increment the x value. Statements, whatever we need to print, then we can write statements. This is the syntax of for loop. For example, I would like to print 1 to 10 numbers. To print 1 to 10 numbers. In while and do while loop also I take this example. You can easily understand the difference between while loops and for loop. This is the single line comment. We need to write first statement, import statement, import java.lang.star. What is it does mean? It importing two classes, system and string class into our program. Then I write the class name, class demo. Open the class, write public static void main. Main method accept the string type array, string args. Then what I need? For loop syntax. For that, everything I declared in int x equal to 1, x less than or equal to 10, x plus plus. This is the initialization expression 1. Conditional statement increment the x value. Now I would like to print 1 to 10 numbers. I write the statement system.out.println of x. Close the for loop, close the main method, close the class. Here how it works while loop, the same procedure for while execution of for loop. Int x equal to 1 initialization conditional statement. First it's prints the x value 1, then checks the condition, it's true, 1 less than or equal to 10. Then in first statement x plus plus not incremented. It's not how this x plus plus when here that value executed. How while loop execute the same scenario, it's not execute this statement, it's writing this level. Okay, do you understand? In first statement, the value of x plus plus same up to printing this value, then only it's execute. X equal to 1, x 1 less than or equal to 10 true, then it prints the value, then only it's execute this statement. That is how the for loop execution. Okay, clear? How to get the output of the program? Java C demo.java Java demo. Then output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 10 numbers. X equal to 10, then it goes to the once we come out of the loop. Condition up to condition is false, then comes out of the loop. We can write the for loop in different ways. First, we can write initialization before, then for expression here this empty place I declared above. X less than or equal to 10 x plus plus. Like this, one way of writing for loop. The second way of writing, second method for writing for loop, we can also write like this also. Int x equal to 1 initialization for x less than or equal to 10 statements system.out.sopl of x plus plus. How we write do while and for loops? The similar way we can write the for loop also. We can write the for loop. Suppose we did not mention this condition, loop doesn't exit. It means it repeatedly exit the for loop. That loop we can call it as infinite for loop. We can't control the infinite for loop, then system hang out. For that reason we need to overcome how to handle the infinite for loop. Here no need to write. Okay. Infinite for loop. Int x equal to 1 initialization here we did not mention anything. System.out.println of x. We did not given a condition statement means if x plus plus, if x greater than 10, then break the loop. This is the infinite for loop. How to exit, come out of from this infinite for loop? I print x value, then increment x value. If condition reach x greater than 10, then I come out of this loop. I use break. Here one of the interview asked like this: how can you handle the program with infinite for loop? Then you can tell, if I can use if condition with break statement. We can handle like this. In only for loop we can write infinite for loops. It is also possible in while and do while loops also, sir. How to write infinite do while loop? Int x equal to 1, system dot out dot println of x, x plus plus, then check the condition. But up to how it is execute, the condition is true, then only it's execute. Up here we need to mention true. True means it's always running. Infinite loop exits. This is the infinite do while loop. Similarly, infinite while loop. Int x equal to 1 while true, write SOPL of x, x plus plus, close. Like this we can write infinite do while loop and infinite while loop. When we can go for loop and while loops, we know the exact input value and starting value and ending value, then go for loop. If we don't know, then go for while loop or do while loop. Thank you everyone. If you like my content, please like, share and subscribe Bhargavi Royal. If you have any doubts, please mention in comment section.